The Great Waterway is not the name of any one place. It's not on the map, but it has a regional footprint. It's a tourism collective in southeastern Ontario made up of 8 unique tourism destinations with one shared interest: promoting the unforgettable travel experiences this region has to offer. Today we have a story to tell. It's a story of success, renewed focus, and the future of tourism marketing. Our marketing is not only defined by destination. It's not about size, budget, beauty, or popularity, or about playing favorites. It's to showcase our diverse and memorable experiences. It's a way to tell the world that we have something amazing and so many great experiences to choose from. Let the story begin. Tourism Talk is our catalyst for change. Tourism businesses need to be seen and heard. We want to show the world all the great things we have to offer. Tourism Talk is an online hub for tourism businesses, a place to profile themselves, connect with other businesses, and solidify themselves into the consumer marketing mix of this region. It's a portal where tourism operators stay informed, access funding, and get seen. Today, over 800 tourism businesses and regional DMOs are active members. Every member has a place on thegreatwaterway.com and a defined place in our overall marketing. In the spring of 2016, we redesigned thegreatwaterway.com to better align with our new mandate. With more than 1,450 pages, this robust website is an exceptional tool. Visitors can explore, search activities, engage in events, plan a trip, receive exclusive offers, book, and even see real traveler photos. We built a site where Tourism Talk members contribute to our voice, and social media followers share their stories. Since April 25, 2016, our year-over-year website traffic has increased by a whopping 96%, far surpassing any other year on record. Tourism businesses and DMOs have the opportunity to enhance their online presence through our website and other marketing tools, including enhanced website profiles, e-newsletter presence, social media promotion, and homepage takeovers. The Great Waterway is proud to announce the launch of its new booking engine. To date, more than 82 accommodations and 32 attractions are bookable and growing. It empowers the Great Waterway to contribute directly to the bottom line revenues and success of tourism in this region. Launching soon, Meetings Plus is a web portal where meeting planners and available facilities converge. As a site selection and RFP tool, Meetings Plus is yet another strategy to draw more individuals to the Great Waterway. This year's consumer marketing and advertising campaign embraces the close to everywhere, far from ordinary theme. The ideal is that our destinations are close by and not ordinary. Targeting Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, and Upper New York State, we cater to family memory builders, outgoing mature couples, and up-and-coming explorers. The campaign theme has been infused into all of our marketing efforts, including website presence, social media, content curation, and digital marketing. More specifically, our paid media advertising campaign includes a mix of both digital, print, social, native, programmatic, email, and search engine marketing. It focuses on both destinations and activities as a driver of tourism. Results have been wildly successful, bringing over 100,000 paid media visitors to the website in the last 4 months alone, and nearly 50,000 organic visitors through our other marketing efforts. And that's not all. On Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, our audiences have increased by 71%, 48%, and 44% respectively in the past 12 months. And our campaign would not be rounded off without the presence of our major branded activities, including food and drink, golf, on the water, cycling and hiking, festivals and theater, and entertainment. As an example, Fish Finders TV and Golf in Ontario have helped us highlight our bests in the region, tapping into niche audiences that we may not have otherwise had access to before. Each year, the Great Waterways Partnership Funding Program accepts a number of applicants from tourism-related products, including marketing, training, best practices, sales missions, festival and event enhancements. In 2015-2016, $728,000 in leveraged funding helped to support 17 regional projects, paving the way for great tourism prosperity in the region. We've accomplished a lot this past year, but there's more to be done. And as we evolve, we look forward to nurturing even better relationships with DMOs and tourism operators, building upon our core programs, implementing a book and engine consumer marketing strategy, launching and marketing Meetings Plus, and where available, creating efficient platform integrations and marketing automations. Tourism has changed. It's not about any one experience or any one destination. Your voice is our voice, and we need your help in telling the great tourism story of our region. And it all starts with a simple phone call to the Great Waterway.